Good day everyone, I am Babesy Kanson and welcome back to my channel. This is another video documentation for our performance stats. For today's objective, we are going to determine whether there is relationship between variables that are rank order. Design own research question to association or agreement, and use digital technology to automate result, and lastly, write hypothetical results and concluding statement about the posted problem. So, rank orders variables are those that can be ordered or ranked based on their values. Examples include test scores, income levels, and job titles. In many cases, researchers may want to determine if there is a relationship between two or more ranked variables. So, one common method for determining this relationship is to use correlation coefficient, and another method to determine this relationship between rank order variables is through regression analysis. So correlation coefficients measure the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. So a positive correlation indicates that as one variable increases, so does the other variable. And a negative correlation indicates that as one variable increases, the other variable decreases. While the regression analysis allows researchers to predict one variable based on another variable or set of variables. So overall, it is possible to determine whether there is a relationship between rank order variables using statistical method such as correlation coefficient and regression analysis. These methods can provide valuable insights into how different factors are related in various contexts. Now let's move on to example question to test association or agreement. So a teacher is interested in whether those who do better at English or do better in math. To test whether this is the case, the teacher records the score of her 10 students in their end of year examination for both English and math. Therefore, one variable records the English scores and the second variable records the math scores for 10 pupils. So to calculate Spearman rank order correlation and data without any ties, we will use the following data. So in SPSS statistics, we created two variables so that we could enter our data, English scores and math scores. In Enhanced Spearman Correlation Guide, it shows how to correctly enter the data in SPSS statistics to run a Spearman correlation. So after you put those data, here's the result table. So the results are presented in a matrix such that, as can be seen above, the correlation are replicated. Nevertheless, the table represents Spearman correlation, its significance value, and the sample size that calculation was based on. And in this example, we can see that Spearman's correlation coefficient R sub S is 0.669 and that this is statistically significant of P is equal to 0.035. So a Spearman rank order correlation was run to determine the relationship between 10 students' English and math exam marks. There was strong positive correlation between English and math marks, which was statistically significant. R sub S of 8 is equal to 0.669 and P is equal to 0.035. So that's the end of my discussion. Thank you.